Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth steadily, while others spend their entire lives just getting by? It's not luck. It's not just having a high salary. It's discipline. Because building wealth isn't about one big move. It's about 1,000 small, smart choices repeated over time. Let's be real. Most people don't lose their chance at wealth because they never had opportunities. They lose it because they lack consistency. Discipline isn't glamorous. It's not flashy. You don't see it trending on social media. But it's the quiet engine behind every self-made millionaire. Think about this. Warren Buffett didn't get rich overnight. He started investing at 11. By his 30s, he wasn't the richest man, but he was disciplined. And that discipline compounded over decades. The same applies to everyday people who turn modest incomes into powerful financial freedom. The secret isn't speed, it's steady control. When you're disciplined with your money, you stop letting emotions run the show. You stop buying things to impress people who don't even notice. You stop being reactive and start being intentional. That's the moment wealth starts to build itself around you. Slowly, quietly, but powerfully. Here's how you can start applying discipline to your own wealth journey. First, pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, set aside a portion, even if it's small, before you touch a single expense. You're not waiting to save what's left. You're making saving a non-negotiable. Second, automate your financial habits. Automation takes emotions out of the equation. No more, "I'll save next month." It's already happening while you live your life. Third, learn to delay gratification. Every wealthy person understands this. Wealth isn't built by giving in to every impulse. It's built by making choices your future self will thank you for. That new gadget might feel good today, but your investment in a few years will feel way better. And fourth, stay consistent. Not perfect. Consistent. Missing one day won't break you. Quitting will. Now imagine two people. One saves $200 a month. The other spends every penny. After 1 year, the difference is small. After 10 years, it's huge. That's the power of discipline. It quietly compounds until one day, everyone calls it success. Of course, discipline doesn't mean deprivation. It doesn't mean living a life of no fun. It means choosing what matters most and ignoring distractions that drain your financial future. It means telling yourself, "I'm building something bigger than this moment." And yes, it's hard at first. Your friends might not get it. You'll see others showing off their now while you invest in your later. But remember this: wealth whispers. It doesn't scream. While others are chasing quick highs, you're quietly building freedom. So the next time you think discipline is boring, remember, it's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. If this message hit home for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their future. Your wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in daily, disciplined actions. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it.